If you want to turn off Talkback on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we need to go to the settings. If you have it on the first page in the home screen, then you can just simply tap on the settings icon and then double tap in order to enter it. If you need to scroll to the next page, then you need to do that with 2 fingers. And if you want to open the app drawer, then once again with 2 fingers, just do the same gesture as you would normally do. And then over here, scroll with 2 fingers in order to find settings. So tap and then double tap in order to open it. Now over here, we need to scroll all the way down, of course with 2 fingers again. Tap on additional settings and then double tap. Now tap on accessibility option and once again double tap. Over here, switch to the tap vision, or actually tap on the vision and then double tap. And now select Talkback, so tap once and then double tap. Tap on the use Talkback option and then double tap on the switcher. Now we need to confirm that we want to stop it, so tap on stop button and double tap. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!